friends, welcome to our channel TechLambda. So this is our HTML series. So now we discuss fourth module HTML list. So now we discuss list. What is list? So first we understand what is list. This is fourth module. So list used to group related item. It means if we group some item that we call list. Three type of list: ordered list, unordered list, and description list. Ordered list means item are in numbers. Example: ordered list defined by OL tag. LI tag defined is list item. Second is unordered list. In our unordered list, items are marked with bullets. Like unordered list defined by UL tag. This is also same LI line tag. Description list. This is the third type of list. Description list. List item are descriptions. It defined by DL tag. So this is the summary. List tag and purpose. UL tags unordered list. This is for unordered list. OL tag for ordered list. LI tag for list item. DL tag for description. DT tag for term name. DD for term description. So now we check this. Now time to practical. So we already discussed about all these things in previous video. So here we in body tag we mention list. So list is it's already see this is see order list we define the list item like second one is this is already suggesting me see orange good one with live server see this is ordered list apple banana and orange it prints easily so now we see unordered list like ol unordered ul mango grapes. This is also we define in order list, so it prints all counting. If we change tag UL, then you see the output. Open with live server. See, it's provided bullets point. Mango, grapes, and kiwi. This is our list. So see, this is what description list. We check what is description list. We check open with live server. It's defined like that. HTML markup language for web page. Because we define here, this is work like heading. HTML, DL, tag. DD markup we here write markup language for web page. So now we finish easily list in HTML. We already discussed all tag of list. So thank you.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.